What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to switch out the transmission fluid on my Evo 10. A couple weeks ago I was doing the oil change on the Evo, and when I went underneath I noticed that I had a really big transmission leak. It was coming from the transfer case connected to the transmission. The bolts that connect from the transfer case over to the transmission were backing out, causing it to separate slowly, and that was causing the leak. I don't know how much fluid I lost, so that's what we're gonna figure out today. I've been super paranoid about it. I haven't driven the car since. We're actually gonna replace the fluid with some more Redline Cocktail. I've used the Redline Cocktail before. It works great. It also gets rid of that third gear crunch that a lot of Evo owners tend to have. I'm gonna go and jack it up on all 4 points, just so it's nice and level when I'm draining out the fluid and then putting it back in. So the car is now jacked up on all 4 points, making the car level when I drain this thing. And the drain plug is gonna be right here. There we go. And get the drain pan. And just like that. Well, based on how much this filled up, there was transmission fluid in it, but I really doubt that there was enough to keep this transmission operating at the best conditions. This video is brought to you by today's sponsor. It's me. I'm the sponsor. Everything I do to this car is out of my own money. So if you want to support that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the share button, go tell your friends, go tell your mom, comment, like, hit the bell notification. It's going to help the channel a tremendous amount, and I can keep giving you guys this content. So with that being said, let's go back to the video. So there are 2 ways to fill up the transmission with fluid. The first way, which a lot of people do this, it's a fill plug that's on the side of the transmission. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to actually go through the top. So in order to do that, we have to remove the intake. There's going to be a fill plug that's right on the top, super easy to access. It's just a matter of getting rid of this, moving it out of the way, and then we're able to access it from there. So now that the intake is removed, we're going to fill it up with fluid right here. There's a plug right there. Super easy to get to it. So we're just gonna open this up, put the fluid in, and call it good. Okay, so let's start with the MT90. It's going to be the entire thing. Now we're going to do the MTL. Now for this last quart of MTL, I have a measuring cup. This thing only comes in cups, not quarts. So I went ahead and converted it. So we're aiming for 1.2 cups. That can also be converted to ounces, which would be like just under 10 ounces. All right, so this is 1.25. So that's good enough for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that right in there. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is how you do the Redline Cocktail on an Evo 10. And I'm just gonna go ahead, finish up the project, put the intake back. I'm also going to apply some Loctite onto those bolts that were backing out and coming loose, because I do not want this issue to happen again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and see you next time.